Working on the kitchen again. As you can see, I have ripped off the countertop that was back here on the island, and we are left with just cabinets. So we're going to be doing that to the rest of our cabinets, taking these countertops off here. We're going to take them off all the way around, take out the sink. We had to wash some dishes that were in the dishwasher that we had left in there. So we're almost to the point where we can start prepping for paint. I'm going to set up a camera here and we will get everything set up and ready to go. I'll show you a little bit of how I'm just taking these countertops off. If you look here, this backsplash right here where it connects, it has to be taken off all the way up to here. So as I take this off, I can take the countertop off. So having to take the backsplash off, that's okay. We're going to replace some backsplash with tile, so that will look really good once we're done. We're going to work on that a little bit today, so I'll kind of set the camera up. We'll go into some fast forward mode here and get you just some action of what's going on today, okay? Using a little nail puller here and a hammer to get this backsplash off. Once we get it off, we'll be able to pull the countertop up and be one step closer. Okay, so you see, this is quite an undertaking when you're ripping countertops off from your cabinets. Sometimes it takes a little coercion with a pry bar and a hammer. But we got all of them out. All of our cabinets are empty. Just have to clean them with some degreaser and sand them down a little bit. I'll show you there's some special things that you have to do with cabinets like this. When you have ends of your cabinets that are press board with just a basically a film overlay, you have to get some denatured alcohol and steel wool to take that to take the sheen off, and I'll show you how to do that in a later video. Our ends like this that are solid wood, we just take the sander to and knock down the sheen, and so it won't be too big of a deal. There will be areas like this that we're going to probably have to fill with some wood putty. Not really sure exactly what I'm going to do there, but once we get going with the cabinets, I'll think of something and I'll let y'all know what we do there. All right, that's all for today. Thank you very much.